This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking in core settings so recording quality isn't compromised. Set output resolution to 1080p or 1440p and choose 30 or 60 FPS depending on motion. Higher FPS needs higher bitrate. Once done, free disk space and prefer an SSD, and close resource heavy apps and overlays to avoid dropped frames. Then choose an encoder. Hardware like NVENC or QuickSync to offload CPU, or X264 if you need finer control. Set a sensible target bitrate before moving on. Once basic choices are made, focus on the encoder's deeper options to balance file size and fidelity. Choose CBR for streaming or VBR for local files and target 8, 00012, 000 kbps for 1080p at 60 fps, lower bitrate for 30 fps. Make keyframe interval 2 seconds and use high profile for cleaner compression. If using X264, set CRF between 18 and 23 to control visual quality. If hardware encoder, and finish by validating the results with brief test recordings and close observation. Check motion clarity, look for dropped frames and confirm audio sync. Examine file sizes to ensure bitrates are effective. Export using a stable container like MP4 or MKV. Remux or convert only if playback devices require different codecs. If you still see stuttering or artifacts, try one targeted fix. Lower frame rate, reduce bitrate, or switch to the hardware encoder. This single change often resolves persistent performance issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.